Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a super easy and refreshing raspado de fresas con crema. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to begin by cleaning and disinfecting 2 pounds of fresh strawberries. So I already got them going. So now I'm just going to grab them and finely chop them. So remove the stem and now finely chop them. Okay, so repeat to the rest of the strawberries. Okay, so once we have our strawberries all nicely chopped, now we are ready to make our strawberry mixture. Okay, to a saucepan, we're going to be adding 5 cups of water. Along with that, we're going to be adding sugar. Depending on how sweet you want your strawberry mixture, then it depends on how much sugar you're going to use. Or you can use agave nectar. We're going to set it on medium-high heat and just mix it until the sugar dissolves. Okay, so once we have dissolved our sugar, we're going to be adding our strawberries. Okay, so we're just going to bring it to a simmer. And just make sure that you mix it. Okay, so once our strawberries come to a simmer, we're going to reduce the heat to medium and just allow them to continue cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just make sure that you move them constantly. Alright guys, so after 20 minutes, we have our strawberry syrup. So now we're just going to move it to the side and allow it to cool down completely. Okay, so for our crema mixture, we're just going to warm up 2 cups of milk, along with 2 cinnamon sticks. Okay, so we're just going to allow our milk to warm up on medium heat. Okay, so after 5 minutes, our milk should be nice and warm. So now we're going to turn it off. We're going to add 2 cups of heavy cream, along with 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So just mix well. Alrighty, and just like that, we have a crema mixture. So now we're just going to continue waiting for the strawberries to cool down. Alrighty guys, so once our strawberry mixture has cooled down completely, now we can get ready to crush our ice. And here I'm going to be using my blender. I already fill up the cup with ice. So I'm just going to be using the ice crush setting and allow it to do its thing. Okay, so once we have it, we're going to transfer it out. So I'm just going to remove it out. And just repeat the process. Alrighty guys, and once we have all of our crushed ice, now we can get ready for the fun part. Alright, so once we add the ice to our cup, we're going to begin to pour our mixture. Okay, I'm going to grab my milk mixture. Okay, and we're just going to top it with our strawberries. And just garnish with the fresh strawberry. Okay, put in the straw. And just like that, cheers and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this is going to be the best pink drink you will have all summer long. It's honestly so refreshing. It's just perfect. You just have to be patient, you know, in allowing the mixtures to cool down completely. So like that, your ice doesn't melt. But I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, super delicious. It's so refreshing. It's not too sweet, but of course, you know, you can always adjust that to your liking. But for me, this is just perfect. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I prepare a delicious raspado de fresas con crema. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.